guys, how are you? Hope you're well. So today we are gonna make a dominoes. And my friend Louis asked me if I could make a dominoes so we can play at home with our families. Because maybe we don't have a dominoes, we can make one. It's really easy. What we need is a piece of cardboard. I use this one from a chocolate egg from Easter. A piece of cardboard, you need a big one. We need some pens. We might need a ruler, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. So what we need to do, we need to make rectangles like this one. This one is 10 centimeters by 5. We need to draw the rectangle and then make a line in the middle. I'm gonna cut it off. I already made this one. And you can make as many as you want. I think I'm gonna make around 14. So look, this is one of the rectangles and now we need to make 14 more. Okay, once we've got the rectangle, we need to draw something. So we need to draw on the up square, for example, a circle. I'm gonna draw a circle. Maybe in green. Okay, and then the bottom one, I'm gonna draw a triangle. Like this. So this is one of the cards for the dominoes. So now what we need to make, I'm gonna make 13 more, and we need to draw twice the circle and twice the triangle. So every object or every picture you make, you have to make it twice, okay? So then we can match them. Like I've got another triangle here, so then we can match them. Okay, so I'm gonna draw them and then I'm gonna show you, okay? So this is how it looks, my dominoes. So I made a pile with all the cards and now we need to divide them between all the people who's gonna play with us. Okay? Like I'm gonna divide it in 2, for example. One for you, one for me, one for you. So one of us has to put a card in the middle of the table. And look, I'm gonna show you. So the card has a square and a butterfly. So we need to look in our cards and see if we got a square or a butterfly. So I've got here my cards and look, I've got a butterfly. So I'm gonna put it with the other butterfly like this. You can put it this way or this way or this way. And now it's the other person's turn. So I'm gonna see if they're, look, here we've got 2 flowers because now we need to look for a flower or a square. I'm gonna move it here. Like this. So the next person has to see if he's got a square or a flower. And look, I've got a flower here, so I will put it there like this. And we need to follow until we run out of cards. And the first person who runs out of cards will win. And I hope you like the game. Bye bye. See you soon.